Light texture. Gaiam muscle roller features a light texture to stimulate blood flow and provide an effective massage and at the same time to aid your workout, yoga routine, and complement your existing workout equipment for a home gym. Ideal for physical therapy, this massage roller works to gently restore muscles and ease pain and discomfort while improving circulation and healing. It will maintain its shape even after daily use. Target smaller muscles. Foam rollers are great for accelerating recovery times by isolating tight spots. This roller is compact in size and great for working smaller regions or isolating specific muscle groups such as arms and legs. Durability. Our foam roller maintains its shape for long-term durability and repeated use, so it is gentle yet firm at the same time as a daily stretcher to roll tight muscles. Compact and versatile, this conveniently portable foam roll works to heal specific muscles and is an ideal foam roller for legs. Because of its compact size, you can easily travel with this roller to the gym or for physical therapy sessions. Top reviews from the United States. Firm, but not too firm, just right. I have arthritis in my hips, and they can get a bit sore when I sit or walk too much. I watched a physical therapy video for hips, and one of the exercises was using a foam roller. I had never used a foam roller, so I ordered one that had good reviews and was a reasonable price. It felt like hard foam, but when I used it to roll on with my hips, it felt like it was made of wood. I know they have to be fairly firm to actually help, but this was too uncomfortable for me. I saw that this seemed a bit softer, and I hoped it would not be too soft. For me, it is just right. It is firm enough to be very effective on my hips, but it doesn't cause more pain when I sew it. I imagine this is somewhat of a personal preference, but at 75, I'm not interested in being hardcore with my exercise. I just want to feel good, and this really works for me.